Hi, I'm down here. Here I am. Here's my face. See my face? That's my face.
Hi.
This is face, camera, face. Moving to scratch his ass, stopping, aiming camera at his balls. Look at me. This is me. Hi, I'm Bob. You don't. You smile. What are you laughing for? Right, you ready? Hi, I'm Bob Newton, and the cameraman today is Alfie Newton, who's just moving the camera.
Hello.
And there he goes. He's just saying hello to everybody, and he's doing his own little film today. So we're going to see what it turns out like, and hopefully you'll get some hits on it. Cut. What's he after?
The door's a bit open. I'm trying to open it.
No, there's something in it. I think there might be mice in there, probably. Where are we going?
I don't know.
There a mash. And who's giving me all their meat? Their steak. What are you eating, Alf?
What are you eating, Alf? Hello.
Alright. You
don't talk.
Get it over with.
This is the camera.
Hey look, I've got a brother from another mother.
Never a camera.
Something that, yeah, next.
It's my camera.
Wants his image back.
Have that. When it's in my
A
camera.
bit of an impact. Yeah, directly so. I feel like mine does.
You gotta, Dad, you gotta talk. Oh, that's nothing. Here's Daddy. Am I not blurry? What's that? Why is it not blurry?
Dark.
It's not dark. It's just blurry. I can see it's on your head.
Hi. You're an alien.
How did you do that?
Everybody always asks me that question. Don't sit there. You're a filming man. You can't be sitting down all comfortable. What's my camera behind you? I'm going to smash you up.
Ah.
Yeah.
No. Hello. Wait there. I want to take. I'm going to look at this and zooming in. Oh my god. Picture.
See if you're over there now. You can put that there. Watch. Turn that. And then film yourself. And then you can put it in there. Keep going back like McDonald's. Hi there. You can't talk. You see everything I did. Talk to it.
All I want is film.
To the garage to sell it, because we get £9 for these cars. So I got a garage full of them ready for sale. So every time I start a new session, I sell a car straight away, which gives you a quick £9, and then you can go to the ammo shop, and at least you got £9 to start you with. But as you see, I do it every time. So you see, there's your £9, right? That's, thank you very much. And as you see over there on that side, you see I got £3,350,000.
Yeah.
3 million. I can buy it cheap if I want to. Not a right, that's him there. That's Alfie, you know. Fine look. Yeah, right. He's a fine looking man, as you see. Got his camouflage.
Somebody copied us.
Where?
And the corner, see?
Which can't. Oh yeah. Well, kill him first because I don't like him copying me.
He's our mate.
Well, you got no right wearing my gear. My cameo is designer. What's she doing wearing my designer gears?
I know. Yeah, you haven't got the same hair or same glasses.
I don't know, it's bloody close, isn't it? It could be twins.
Yeah, that's a twin.
It could be my brother from another mother.
Hello.
She's got severe brain damage. Hello.
Honey, this is on the camera. Mind.
No, you don't say.
Don't, because Grant will stick on Facebook.
Grant won't stick on
I will.
Facebook, love.
I will.
You know you do it all, do I?
What's your Facebook name, Alf? I'll add you.
What?
What's your Facebook name?
Courtney Stinks.
Courtney.
Good answer.